Hello and welcome to this video on what's new in Diffusion 6.7. For viewers who aren't already familiar with Diffusion, here's a short video overview.
Introducing Push Technology's Diffusion Intelligent Event Data Platform that lets you bring your innovative event-driven solutions to market faster. Diffusion connects to and consumes streams of data of any size, format, or velocity. Diffusion enables you to perform in-flight enrichment and organization of event data using a flexible data structure. It also lets you deliver personalized and specific event data in real time to millions of users at internet scale. Here's why you need Diffusion. You can build event-driven applications faster thanks to Diffusion's low-code development features. You gain granular control of the data that you send to users. This improves personalization, security, and regulatory compliance. You can lower operational costs and scale to millions of users thanks to the Delta streaming protocol that reduces the bandwidth used by more than 90%. Diffusion servers run in the cloud, on-prem, or as a distributed hybrid platform. When you power your real-time applications with Diffusion, you get fine-grained control over data distribution. Your app developers become more productive, and you can cost-effectively scale operations.
This slide illustrates some of the many use cases for the Diffusion platform. In the finance industry, Diffusion is used for brokerage applications, market data distribution scenarios, and more. In gaming, Diffusion is used for sportsbook applications, price distribution, casino games, and many more applications. Diffusion is often used to integrate with Kafka to distribute data at internet scale. When building applications, Diffusion helps you get applications to market faster by letting you customize live message streams to consumers without any coding. Diffusion is highly performant, scaling to millions of subscribers. Diffusion makes very efficient use of resources, so it costs a lot less to operate than alternatives. Diffusion provides the capability to customize the data you send to individuals based on specific attributes, including their location, what data interests them, their recent web searching history, etc. And security is applied at runtime to a very granular degree, down to a topic level. I'm very excited to tell you about the new features and enhancements in 6.7. A major enhancement in 6.7 is the introduction of session trees. Session trees provide a customized topic tree for every user. They provide a much more flexible approach for personalization than the previous functionality offered by routing topics. Database change data capture is a significant new feature in 6.7. CDC makes it much easier to capture changes in source databases. These can be either full database snapshots, schemas, individual tables, or portions of a table. MySQL and Postgres are the first two database sources to be supported, and with many more to come. Diffusion servers can be deployed in a mesh architecture distributed globally. In this release, servers provide a much richer notification of missing topics. Now, control clients can be informed of all session properties from the originating session, as well as all the names of the servers that the notification has passed through. Diffusion now allows you to take advantage of JSON patching, so you can basically use the patching clause to make changes to topics. In the example below, we removed the path salary and added the path language with the value of EN in topic B. Diffusion 6.7 comes with a new type conversion capability. This allows you to change the data type of reference values. In the example below, the reference topic B has all the data values that can be converted changed to the JSON data type. There's a new method for the C client that receives the session ID as one of its parameters. So now you can specify which session you want to close. You can now use the console, JMX, or the client API to create and maintain metric collectors. For the JavaScript client, when setting session properties, you can now map non-string values. There are a number of improvements to the Python client. Now when you remove a topic using the Python client, the method now returns a number of non-reference topics that were removed as a result of the operation. Diffusion has a preferred binary encoding method to communicate with the Diffusion server, known as Concise Binary Object Representation, or CBOR, which has been enhanced in the latest release to support indefinite-length CBOR encoding. Updates have been made to the local installation method for Python clients. Replication has been improved. It can be inefficient to perform delta calculations for large numbers of time series topic events to replica servers. From this release onwards, delta streams are no longer used when replicating large numbers of series histories. The nightly licensing check has been enhanced to also warn about expiry. Diffusion is available for download or as a cloud service. There's a new improved developer hub with a link to the quick start guide, demos, and the Diffusion repos at GitHub. Thank you for watching.